Wonderful single-level home with split-bedroom floor plan on large cul-de-cas lot located in gated community of 7 Lakes North. Solidly built home, with alarm system, has large living room with vaulted ceiling, gas fireplace and French doors to access kitchen and dining room area. Large kitchen complete with all appliances and features ample cabinets for storage and an abundance of countertop space. Nice hardwoods in dining area. Enjoy wonderful outdoor spaces provided by this large lot configuration. Side yard offers a large fenced area for gardening with mature flowering shrubs and stone pathways. Spacious sitting porch on front of home and screened porch on the rear. This is a great home for the price.